Hey there, dreamer. DWG here. Let's get it. What's going on, everybody? Today is October 14th, 2022. What do you see on your screen? I see it. I know you see it. It is the beautiful, the wonderful Remy Post, and it says Godot 4.0 Beta 3 is in full effect. Let's jump on over to GodotEngine.org. And for all those who might be new to this, just like me, you want to go on down here to where it has the pre-release. You want to click on that, scroll on down, make sure you click on jump to the download section, and then standard build. If you plan on building with Godot script or G script, you find your operating system. Mine would be Windows 64. You click that, you get the download, the zip, and then you unzip it, and then here you go, right? And you can see I got the other Godots here, the other betas and whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Let's open that up. It opened up pretty darn quick there. Let's cancel this off right here. And you can easily go over to start your new project and so on and so forth. So, of course, I will be playing around with that later. Let's jump on back here because I got a few things to talk about. So first off, we got to send a shout out to Black Pellet, to the developers of Black Pellet, which is the screenshot that we see right here. Right, looking nice, looking good. And I believe that the person's name is Rizal Edwards, who is the developer. And let's just jump on over to the Twitter so everybody can see that on the screen. So you want to jump, if you're on Twitter and whatnot, jump on over to Black Pellet. They need your support. They are developing their game in Godot 4, in the Engine 4. You can go over there to their YouTube channel and you can see some of the different shots here. I'm just clicking through to get to the images. You can see the different shots here. But one thing I really like about this is the fact that, why am I getting all the dark shots? I really like the fact that all of it is kind of like a claymation type deal. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe they are coming out of Mexico. What's going on, Mexico? What is up with the brothers and sisters down there? Greetings from DWG. And you also can jump on over there to their Kickstarter if you want to help them. Yep, right there, Mexico City. If you want to help them with development, because you know it takes time and people got to put food on the table. But if you want to help them with the development, go over to Kickstarter, show them some love. Tell them that DWG sent ya. Okay, yeah, you ain't got to really tell them that. You know, I'm just being extra. In any case, another place I like to check out is the Godot Engine GitHub, because you can see a lot of the different progress going on there. That is really, really cool. But here's something else I wanted to bring you guys' attention to that's really cool. Over on Blender, they have announced that Volkswagen has become a part of their development fund. And you know those development companies, these big boy companies that help out open source community in a wide variety of ways, especially, you know, financially and whatnot, which means that Volkswagen will more likely, I'm thinking, I'm just guessing here. I'm thinking that Volkswagen more likely is going to use, you know, something from Blender inside of their Volkswagen vehicle. You want to jump on over to LinkedIn. They even have a post here. Volkswagen Group joins Blender's development fund. The VW Group is delighted to support the Blender Foundation as the first major automotive OEM. We as the VW Group would like to reward the fantastic work of the Blender community by joining the foundation as a Patreon member. This was a wish of our steady growing Blender users based within the VW Group, represented by 12 strong brands. We are looking forward to a fruitful partnership for both sides. Congratulations, Blender community, for the 20th anniversary. Bravo, Volkswagen. Go ahead, guys. Oh, you guys make me proud. And there's people in my family that owns Volkswagens. You guys make me proud. So you might remember another company, open source community, was Krita, and I recently had reported on the fact that Intel is, you know, getting down with them and doing some interesting things there. But what does that have to do with Godot, you might ask? And I'm gonna tell you while I'm excited about it for Godot. Do y'all remember back on Mike from Game from Scratch? That guy. I love Mike from Game from Scratch. He's wonderful. In any case, do you remember back when he was talking about Godot Engine being inside a Tesla, right? So here is a post, screenshot from when Mike was talking about the people over at Tesla using Godot engine inside of the Teslas and whatnot. They were hiring for somebody and they wanted them to have Godot engine experience, which brings me to another situation. I was watching a video where a young man was talking about he was looking for jobs and he noticed that he didn't see Godot listed as far as being a game developer and whatnot. And I had to send him a message. I said, look, man, go in there and tell these people what you can do. It doesn't matter if Godot's not listed there. Show them what you can do. You got a game, man. You know what I mean? You know how many people wish they had a game like you? You got a game. Show them. But more importantly, you may be the catalyst. You may be that person. You may be the one that opens the door for a future game developer, and that person will find the Godot, representation there. They'll find Godot on there and be like, yo, we want people that got Godot experience. So if you guys got a game and whatnot, and you want to go for a gaming industry job or whatnot, you don't see that the name of your specific engine, not just Godot, but any engine, it don't matter. Go and show them that you got skills. You'd be surprised what will happen. But again, the reason why I'm so excited about this is that if Volkswagen got down with Blender and Tesla has Godot in there, matter of fact, yo, Tesla, come on now, Elon Musk, yo, you are like the richest man in the world. Can we get a little bit of Godot help here? Yeah, okay. No, I know you got a lot going on in your world right now. I'm not even gonna speak on that. So in any case, maybe Volkswagen, you never know, Volkswagen, anybody out there from V-Dub, maybe they'll get down with Godot as well. I hope so. And that's another reason why I think that the whole W4G is a very smart thing that they're doing. I think that the W4 sees that certain things need to be done in order to shore up that Godot future. And there's certain things that the W4 can do, and they can put things in place that will not tarnish or hurt or harm the open source soul of Godot. I just think that it's just so smart. And you guys, just keep doing what you're doing. It's coming. I'm very, very happy that I picked Godot to be a part of, and just the community in general. The people that are out there just so friendly and nice. They're just welcoming. So pick whatever engine you want to. I'm not saying that there's anything bad with anybody's engine. I'm just saying I found a lot of love over there at Godot, and you might want to check it out. All right, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. This is DWG. Dream about it, write it down, go after it like a mofo. I'm out. Peace.